learning about is money.
You got it, money. We all love us some money. Ashraf, what coins have we been learning about?
We've been learning about the quarter, nickel, dime, and the pennies.
You got it. Let's see who's ready to review those coins with me. So, as Aisha said, we've been learning all about, hold on. We've been learning all about money. Remember, if you want to be a math star, I'll go over this really quick, but you should know you should stay focused, participate, use your work habits, and try your best. All right, Mason, Eduardo, are you ready to say my penny rhyme with me? Ready? Go.
Copper brown and worth 1 cent.
Good, copper brown. That's the color it is. Zoe, how much is a penny worth?
1 cent.
Nice work, Zoe. All right, let's see who's going to get to do my next rhyme with me. Janelise, go ahead.
Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents. I know that.
Amina, how much is a nickel worth?
A nickel worth 5
what?
cents.
5 cents, you got it. All right, let's see who's going to get to do my next rhyme. Nadia, I'm coming to you. Go ahead, Nadia.
Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10.
You got it. Irenis, how much is a dime worth?
10 cents.
You got it. All right, let's go to, for my last one, the quarter. Humaira, I'm coming to you. Go ahead.
Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25 cents, I am told.
Good. Delisha, how much is a quarter worth?
25
25 what, Delisha?
cents.
25 cents, you got it, kiss your brain. All right, so yesterday we started exchanging coins. Remember, we can show the same amount of money using different coins. So we're going to start our lesson off by watching a video about exchanging coins. Before I start my video, I need to see that everyone's hands are folded and eyes are on the screen. Remember, we're not dancing, we're watching this video to learn. So your eyes need to be glued. Here we go.
Some people think 1 penny doesn't make a lot of sense because there isn't much that you can spend it on. But let that humble penny get together with some friends. Pretty soon you'll find your money worries gone. 5 pennies make a nickel, 10 pennies make a dime. When pennies make a quarter, you got 25. 4 quarters make a dollar, that makes 100 cents. So save your pennies and your fortune has begun. Penny, you're the one.
All right, we're gonna do that one more time. This time I wanna see you sing along so you can remember how many pennies make each cent. Ready? Or each coin. Ready? Noemi, are you ready? I need to see your face. Let me see. Ready, set, go. I want to see you sing.
Some people think 1 penny doesn't make a lot of sense because there isn't much that you can spend it on. But let that humble penny get together with some friends. Pretty soon you'll find your money worries gone.
Here we go.
5 pennies make a nickel, 10 pennies make a dime. When pennies make a quarter, you got 25. 4 quarters make a dollar, that makes 100 cents. So save your pennies and your fortune has begun. Penny, you're the one. Szkłabkos.
All right, nice job. Now let's see who remembers. Isatu, how many pennies make a nickel?
10 cents.
Nope, Isatu, how much is a nickel worth? Humaira, tell Isatu how much a nickel is worth.
A nickel is worth 5 cents.
Good. So Isatu, if a nickel's worth 5 cents, how many pennies do we need to make a nickel?
5 cents.
Yeah, we need 5 pennies to make a nickel because it's worth 5 cents. Julius, how many pennies make a dime? Everyone else can show me with their fingers. Everyone show me with your fingers how many pennies make a dime. Show me.
10 cents.
10 pennies. Nice job. All right. And how many pennies make a quarter? Mason, Eduardo.
25.
25 pennies. You got it. Now that we went over that, it's time for you to watch me fill out an important question that you guys are also going to see when you get started. So your eyes are glued to me. I know the first thing I need to think about is what the question is asking me. So this says, which coin below is worth the same amount as the pennies below? So I need to figure out how many pennies there are, and then which coin is the same amount as the pennies. So who is ready to count with me? Say, I'm ready. Catalina, you ready to count with me? All right, let's go. Ready, go. 1, 2. Catalina, I don't hear you. Loud.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many cents, Catalina?
10
10 what?
cents.
Good, 10 cents. So now I need to look at these coins on the bottom and see which one is also worth 10 cents. I know the first one is a penny. A penny is only worth 1 cent. The next one is a nickel. A nickel I know is worth 5 cents, so I'm going to label it as 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. That might be my answer since up here we had pennies that were worth 10 cents, but I always check all my answer choices. My last one is a quarter. It's the biggest one, and that's worth 25 cents. So now let's go through. 1 cent is not equal to 5 cents, so I'm going to cross it out. 5 cents is not equal to 10 cents, so I'm going to cross it out. I think 10 cents might be equal to 10 cents, so let's leave it. 25 cents is not equal to 10 cents, so I'm crossing it out. A dime and 10 pennies are worth the same amount because they are both worth 10 cents. Athena, how do we know a dime and 10 pennies are worth the same amount?
You don't know what to play for, and you don't know. Exactly. So a square is the type of one. That's what you're saying now.
Athena, how much are 10 pennies worth?
10.
10 what?
And now my job here is to circle all
10 cents, right? And we know that a dime is also worth 10 cents. So a dime and a penny are worth the same amount because, why, Athena?
Because
they're both worth?
I need to look at all my shapes
10.
right here.
They both
They're
were
both worth 10 cents. Nice work. All right, it's time for us to move into our breakout rooms. When we get there, I want to see that you're labeling the amounts of each coin to help you answer these questions. Here we go. Okay, so sorry, teachers, I had to close out rooms because I don't know what happened to Miss Webb, and I don't want scholars to be in a room by themselves. So I'm going to make these rooms again. All right, here we go. Hello, everyone. If you were saying hello, that's okay, but we are now on mute in 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see who is there with their hands folded, ready to learn. Carolyn, loving the tracking. Aisha is tracking me, and so is Isatu. Isatu, it's so good to see you. I feel like I haven't seen you in a while. All right. We're going to start guided practice together. So guided practice says, which coins below are worth the same amount as the pennies? What is this question asking us to find out, Isatu?
This question is asking us which coins below are worth the same as the penny below.
Good. So what is the first thing that we need to do, Amira? Barakisa, pencil down, track your
I
screen.
think we should do is count the pennies and label them.
Yeah, we have to count and label how many pennies there are and how many cents it equals up to, right? So everyone pick up your pencil, count the pennies now. Go. Zachary, pick up your pencil and count the pennies. Let's see how much money you have. Go ahead. Samin is counting. Nadia is counting. Carolyn, pencil up, count. Oh, Carolyn, looks like you're frozen. Sophia is counting. Once you're done, put your pencil down and fold your hands. All right, how many pennies were there? Or how many cents were there? Let's go to Nadia. Nadia, unmute yourself, sweetheart.
There were 20 pennies.
Right. Now we need to go through our answer choices and see which one also equals up to 20 cents. So which coin do we see in the first answer choice, Carolyn?
The first circle goes to the first answer choice is
Carolyn, in letter A, what coin do we see?
what coin do we see?
Carolyn, what coin do we see? All right, who can help her out? What coin is in answer choice A? Issa. Go ahead, Issa.
Answer choice A is a penny.
It's a penny, yeah. So what do we have to count by when we count pennies, Carolyn?
We have to count by one.
Yeah, by one. So everyone count the pennies and then label how many cents. Go ahead, do that now. Salimata, pick up your pencil, count the pennies. Aisha, warning, turn on your video. Nadia, I love you too, but let's not chat right now, okay? We're doing our work, but I love you too. All right, so how many cents was answer choice A, Samin? Samin, how many cents was answer choice A?
It was 2 pennies.
Which is 2 cents, right? 2 cents. Now let's look at answer choice B. What coin do we see for answer choice B? Let's go to Barakisa. What coin is that?
It's a penny.
No, for B, the next one, this one. What coin is this? Who can help her out? What coin is that? Carla, what coin is on answer choice B?
The coin is a
It's a nickel. Is it, Carla?
nickel.
So what do we need to count by when we count nickels?
We need to count by 5.
Great, count the nickels, go ahead. 5 fives, go ahead. And then label. How many cents was letter B, Sophia? How many cents, Sophia? For letter B, you had to count by 5. 10 cents, yeah. Are 10 and 20 cents the same amount? Everyone show me agree or disagree. Amira, come back to your seat. Carolyn, come back to your seat. All right, Zarai, answer choice C. What cents do we see there? Sorry, what coin do we see for answer choice C, Zarai?
We see
This one.
a quarter.
Nope, the little one. C.
Pen.
It's silver, Zarai. What's the little silver coin? Diavelis, what coin is on answer choice C? It's a dime. Everyone say it's a dime. Zarai, what do we count by when we see dimes?
Count by. We have 5. 5.
Not 5. Issa 2, what do we count by?
10.
10. Zarai, what do we count by?
10.
Great. Okay. Go ahead, count them.
Thank you, my pencil.
How many cents was answer choice C, Barakisa?
You see?
Barakisa, how many cents was answer choice C? Got to count by tens. Ready? Let's go. 10,
10,
20.
20,
So how many cents, Barakisa?
20.
Great, 20 cents. Write it next to it. Maybe that's our answer. And the last one, what coin is the last one? I said the biggest coin.
The biggest coin is at the bottom, even though the one that's under.
Nope, Aisha, you're not listening to my question. What coin is that?
What coin is that? Is a quarter.
You got
Dollar.
it. And how much is a quarter worth, Aisha?
How much is a quarter?
A quarter is worth
A quarter worth is 20 cents.
25 cents. So we would count that 25.50. Okay, 25.50. Now that we know that that last one is 50 cents, I want everyone to fill in the answer choice. Which answer choice shows us 20 cents, just like the pennies did? Go ahead. Elbows up in 3, 2, 1, 0. Too slow. Amira, tell them. Say too slow.
Too slow.
Let's try it again. Ready to clap. Was it A, B, C, D? The answer choice was C. 2 dimes is worth 20 cents, just like 20 pennies. Nice job. All right, let's go to independent practice. Turning the page in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Number 1 says, which coin combination is the same amount as the coin in the box? Pencils up, go ahead. Which coin combination is the same amount as the one in the box? Who's getting right to work? Sophia is getting right to work. Samin is getting right to work. Carolyn, warning number 2, come back to your chair. Isatu is getting right to work. Carla, warning, come back to your chair. Ramada, do you have an answer choice? Do you have an answer filled in for number 1? Then you need to get started. Let's go. Answer it. About 30 more seconds and we're moving on to number 2. Okay, number 2 says, Selena has 40 pennies. How many dimes make the same amount? Selena has 40 pennies. How many dimes make the same amount? Go ahead. All right, it's time to go back to the main room. When we get there, hands are folded and pencils are down. Pencils are down, hands are folded, sitting up straight and tall in 3. Who has the tallest back? Let's see who could be taller than me. 2, 1, and 0. Nice tracking, Julius. Nice tracking, Jeter. Okay, so let's recap what we learned today. Today we learned we can show the same amount of money using different coins. A penny is worth, tell me, Christopher, a penny is worth?
1 cent.
Good. How many pennies make a nickel? James.
5 pennies.
You got it. How many pennies make a dime, Issa 2?
10 pennies.
Great. And how many pennies make a quarter, Julius? Julius, how many pennies make a quarter? 25 pennies, Julius. I think you got frozen there for a second. 25 pennies. All right, my math star today is, drum roll please, my math star today is Issa 2. Everyone say nice job, Issa 2. And she is my math star because she was participating the whole time and ready to do her work. All right, we'll see everyone back at 9:55. Bye.